So as you can see, something arrived, and you might just be able to tell what it is. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened one box, but you will see me opening it because I forgot to film this part. But let's get to opening these, and I'll show you what's inside if you can't already tell by the very obvious thing here. Alright, let's open these. I opened this, but I still don't really know what's inside. So, see, I'm noticing a big red bag. If you couldn't tell already, this is a rim. There's a cover and stuff. I gotta pull that off in a bit. I'll show you. But we got some parts. Alright, let's try to open this real quick. Still might open hard. Alright, oh, okay. We got C1 motorsport stickers. Can't see them well because they're covered, but that's cool. What else we got in here? I know what we ordered, but I don't know what is in where, you know. Alright, let's open this. Ooh. Oh, come here. Oh, we got the short antenna, bro. Look at this. It's gonna look awesome. I don't know if you can tell. I didn't show it in the last video, but we took off the other antenna that we have. It was like this big, so we're like, nah, that's too much. So we got a little baby antenna because that's nice. Alright, what else we got here? Oh. Alright, I think I know. Yeah, this is kind of boring. This is just a small little like rubber spring piece that goes in the back of the trunk, and it was missing. So yeah, we just bought one. So it's not very interesting, but it's still cool. We got some sort of box in here. I think I might know what's in there, but we have to find out. 'Cause this is the first box that I opened. All the other ones are closed. I was trying to find out which one had these parts in it, and I guess I got it on the first try. So I'm gonna try to take this stuff off. And I'll get back to you. Didn't get the thing off, but I'm currently taking the rim out, and I saw a little glimpse of it, and I'm kind of excited, not gonna lie. Alright, I'm gonna continue. Oh, I got the box out. I'll show you that in a bit. It's kind of heavy. I think I know what's in there. Alright, I'm gonna get this wrapper off, and I'm gonna show you this epic rim because it looks sick. Alright. That is so cool. Oh my god, look, this doesn't look as good as it does in real life on camera. It looks insane. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. This is epic, bro. These are the new Z1 motorsport wheels, and they look, in my opinion, they look epic. And as soon as I saw them, I'm like, these are the ones. Because you remember how we painted the rims and or wheels in the last video, and I just thought, well, why paint them? Could just you know get yourself a big boy. I can't stop smacking this, bro. This is epic. All right, we also got this, so I'll open this now. But oh my god, this is epic. Alright, so I got the top back on because I don't want this to get damaged because it's too big. Look at it. It looks like exactly how it came out the box, bro. I think I should have put this on before I put that on. Now we're gonna open this. I'm not gonna put on that, but I'm gonna open this now. Don't forget to cut away from yourself, and don't try this at home because it is dangerous to cutting. Alright, we got this open. Look at this. These are the outer tie rods. These are fully adjustable, which I really like because that makes the car go sliggly. Oh wow, bubblies! Come on. So that goes on that basically. That's cool. Please give me stickers. Let's go, we got stickers. Let's go. I don't even need this anymore. I want to throw this in the trash. I just wanted the stickers, bro. I don't need this. This is cool, bro. So as I said, these are fully adjustable. So you can adjust them like 5 or 3 or something positions. I don't remember. But I will be installing those soon. And yeah, so this is going to be awesome, bro. Look at this. This is all done together. We got the shorty antenna. Oh, it's called the shorty antenna. I didn't know that. We got the spring here, or the spring lift, or whatever you want to call it. Got all these epic outer tie rod parts mixed together, adjustable, fully epic. Got stickers. This is the actual reason I bought all this. I don't want any of this. I just want stickers, bro. And yeah, that's everything. We're about to put this little dingly bob here. It's not very difficult. We're just gonna. So we got the little antenna on now. It looks pretty cool. It's a little baby antenna. Radio does not work anymore though. We also got this little thing on. Alright, I just woke up and I am about to go look at the tires and we're gonna be fitting them on the rims. Hopefully. Alright, I'm going right now to get the car and then we're going back to the tire shop. Alright, we just got the new wheels on. And oh my god, they look awesome. Oh my god, but look at this. Oh my goodness. We're probably gonna get new lug nuts soon because these ones kind of stick out, but like, Oh my god. I thought they weren't gonna fit, but like, oh. Look at the rear. It's a lot higher than the front, but oh my god. Looks so good. Alright. I put the golden stuff on. I forgot what they're called, but look pretty cool. What do you want? You like the new rims? You like them? Meow if you like them. Meow if you like them. Meow if you like them. Exactly. Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at these epic wheels. I think they look epic. And I'll see you in the next video soon, hopefully. I mean, I'm just like blown away, but this is awesome. I'll see you later.